This color is green. These objects are also green. Let's color them. Green fir tree. Green cucumber. Green frog. Tap on the green object to color it. That's it. Green cucumber. Green object to color it. Ready? Green fir tree. This color is red. These objects are also red. Let's color them. Red strawberry. Red tomato. Red heart. Tap on the red object to color it. You're doing a great job. Red tomato. Tap on the red object to color it. Yay! Red strawberry. This color is yellow. These objects are also yellow. Let's color them. Yellow lemon. Yellow sun. Yellow chick. Tap on the yellow object to color it. Keep going. Yellow sun. Tap on the yellow object to color it. Keep up the great work. Yellow chick. This color is blue. These objects are also blue. Let's color them. Blue peacock. Blueberry. Blue wave. Tap on the blue object to color it. That's it. Blue wave. Tap on the blue object to color it. Keep going. Blueberry. This color is white. These objects are also white. Let's color them. White rabbit. White snowflake. White iceberg. Tap on the white object to color it. Ready? White rabbit. Tap on the white object to color it. Keep up the great work. White snowflake. This color is black. These objects are also black. Let's color them. Black smoke. Black crow. Black coal. Tap on the black object to color. Done! Black Black smoke. Tap on the black object to color it. Ready? Black smoke. This color is orange. These objects are also orange. Let's color them. Orange carrot. Orange pumpkin. Orange giraffe. Tap on the orange object to color it. Great job! Orange pumpkin. Tap on the orange object to color it. Great job! Orange giraffe. This color is cyan. These objects are also cyan. Let's color them. Cyan beads. Cyan teapot. Cyan lizard. Tap on the cyan object to color. Keep up the great work. Cyan teapot. Tap on the cyan object to color it. Ready? Cyan lizard.